Hi YouTube. I was raking the leaves today and I found something that I would actually show you guys. And this is my first YouTube video, so my screen might be a little shaky. I'm not used to this. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Hopefully I have good lighting. I'm trying to put good light on this. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? See the little baby birds? It's still light outside, you can't barely see. Oh god, this is hard. Well, anyway, I still have what's it called again? Bird eggs, you guys can see. The little baby bird eggs. They're right here. I don't know why the mom put them right. I don't know why the mom put them right there. They're right in plain sight. I wonder where they're gonna hatch. Okay, so anyway, that was my YouTube video. Hope you guys like it. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.